is Aliona and welcome to my channel Soul Cook. If you didn't yet subscribe to my channel, please do smash this subscribe button below the video and I will bring to you every week yummy delights from all over the world right there on your plate. Today I am making chicken meatballs with cheese, with spaghetti and with sauce. This recipe is for my European friends who maybe got fed up of eating the same type of meatballs again and again, and for my Indian friends who maybe never prepared chicken meatballs at home. So as I told you, this recipe, chicken meatballs, is very popular in Europe, but guys, I don't like the taste of raw onions and garlic in this recipe. So I have designed my own recipe. I added carrots as well to make it, to add to the nutritional value of this preparation and to make it yummier. I have added cheese, melting cheese in the middle. So guys, what are we waiting for? Follow me. These are the ingredients for our chicken meatballs with cheese. First we are going to make the chicken mass. For that I've taken 2 carrots, 2 onions, some garlic cloves. I've taken 500 grams of fresh chicken mince, very fresh chicken mince by Licious. That's a new company. Some cheese pieces, and these are breadcrumbs. So first we are gonna grind these onions to a not very fine paste, coarse paste, and grate the carrots. These are our onions after grinding, so they are not too fine, and carrots. We won't be adding these ingredients to our meatballs. They will be much harder, so it's necessary to add these extra ingredients in order to make our meatballs softer and more delicious and nutritious. To a hot pan I am adding pure safflower oil, cold pressed. I'm adding the onion paste. Saute it until it dries up. So all the raw juices will dry up. The onions started getting a brownish color. At this point of time we are adding the garlic. The flame is on low. I always alternate the flame from low to high. Let's fry the garlic for few moments. If necessary, add more oil. As oil got absorbed into onions, now I will be adding the carrot. Let's saute this mixture until it blends together. Our vegetable mixture is ready. I have been frying it on a low flame. So let's cool it down now. To the chicken mixture, we add the vegetables. Salt. And I will be adding sabji masala. You can add which masala you like. So this is an Indian add-on for this recipe. Now I will be adding the breadcrumbs. 2 big spoons. And I will mix everything with my hands. I forgot to add egg, guys, so I'm adding it now. Egg will add to the texture of our meatballs. Integrate it. Since I added the egg, I'm adding some more breadcrumbs. This is how the texture of our chicken meatballs must feel and look. If you don't have breadcrumbs, you can add either bread or oats flakes or poha or flour. So whatever ingredients you have, you can add to make this mixture bind together. But breadcrumbs are the best. So now let us form the meatballs. Our meatballs are ready to get a fry, guys. To a hot fry pan, I'm adding rice bran oil. So let the oil heat. We don't deep fry the meatballs, just shallow fry them. Once they starting becoming brown, we will flip them and we keep flipping them since they are round. So very gently flip them from side to side. And fry them on a medium flame, medium to low. They are ready in no time, guys. Since these are balls, keep rolling them in this way. Let me take one, guys, and show for you how it looks from inside. It is so juicy, very hot. You can see piping hot cheese is inside. And they are not dry, they are juicy, they are ready and very delicious. So now let's make the sauce, guys. For the sauce I have taken 4 tomatoes and some tomato puree. You may take more tomatoes and you don't need to add tomato puree. I will blend these tomatoes to a fine paste. Add some olive oil, just 1 spoon, and 1 spoon butter. Add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. And fry it for some time. Then a pleasant aroma is released. We can add the tomato puree, tomato paste which we have made. We will fry this mixture for some time. Actually, we will just keep stirring it. The sauce has thickened. I'm adding some water and some tomato puree. So that is around 30 ml of tomato puree. Depends how much sauce do you need to make. So let this sauce boil for around 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you can see, guys, the color of this sauce. It's so vibrant, even if you don't add tomato paste. Now let's finish this sauce. I'm adding here again sabzi masala, salt, I'm adding some gur, that is raw sugar and processed sugar. You can add ordinary sugar. I'm adding our meatballs and we'll simmer them in this sauce for around 3 minutes. You may add more water if required. Now I will be adding 1 special leaf which is not available in India, and let it simmer for around 2 minutes. Our meatballs and sauce are ready. So let's make the spaghetti now. To boiling water, I'm adding the spaghetti. You may add them whole if you want. To avoid sticking, mix them from time to time. Always cooking spaghetti on low flame. So spaghetti are not made of maida but of semolina, so they are quite healthy. Our spaghettis are ready, guys. They should not be too soft. Now I will strain the water. I will strain them, but I won't be washing them with cold water. That's not necessary. I'm adding some butter and some salt to our spaghettis.